Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Nissan Altima 2.5 Platinum. This one's the all-wheel drive. Finished here, brilliant silver. Total price of $36,335. Platinum is the top of the line, most luxurious trim for the Altima. Matter of fact, for the majority of the Nissan range. Altima is their mid-size sedan, taking on most directly the Toyota Camry, but also, well, the now dead Ford Fusion. What else is there? Chevy Malibu, which I think also doesn't exist anymore. Honda Accord. I don't know how I forgot about that one. So it looks like you got Drive Sport and normal drive. I'll do one lap with both. I'll start with Drive Sport. I knew I had a sport mode, I just didn't know how to access it. Forgot it was a little button on the shifter. Seats are very, very comfortable. I've had no complaints sitting in this while driving around filming. There we go. In terms of all the inputs, it's actually very, very nice. It's, you know, it's not a sports car, but it definitely, you know, inputs are not bad at all. It's not, you know, it's not like a 1980s Luxo barge. It does drive very well. And of course, if you want more sport, go with the Maxima. Well, then you can also get this in a turbo, which I'm driving next. See how it does over these bumps. Go into normal drive. Oh yeah, throttle input and sport mode is definitely increased. turn. Tends to upset quite a good amount of cars. Not this one. All right, this thing is awesome. Tons of fun. If you want more power, of course, you can get the turbo, which I'm excited to try out. But in this current trim, this is perfect for what you would need on a day-to-day basis. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.